You ready to go?
I need to practice.
Our first bridge is called Point Bridge. As you can tell, it's just a single cable.
I don't think I could be a tight roper.
I'll give you a whole, just even that rope thing gives you a whole nother appreciation for the Army guys and all they do. And
I guess it picks up for tonight.
Okay, so we're using the planks to walk on, right?
Yeah.
Look at her, you're fearless. Fearless.
how scary was that?
Good job, man.
Maybe she show it to your friends back home. They showed your mom. Mom would probably be like, why'd you let them do that?
Here we go. An elephant. All right, so we found some new friends. That's Peter and Aaron, and they're from Canada, which is where we're going. So, but we just went on that adventure ride, and it was pretty spectacular. What did you guys think?
Oh, it was amazing.
Mind blowing.
Yeah.
What did you feel about going over that first one little cable?
I was terrified.
Like, I was scared that it would just like you would fall off, then it would just snap. I didn't know. I wouldn't.
And
I was
you
a
know,
little
having
worried
those
about doing the carabiners one after another, not being tied in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
So we going rafting now?
Yes.
You guys are going tubing or rafting?
Yeah.
We're gonna stay dry.
We're gonna splash you.
You stuck, aren't you? That's all we have. You can only wet your lips. No drink. So the chasm's been around here since 1870 when they first opened it up to the public. And before they had the rubber rafts, they would use these boats. They had a cable system that the boats would go down, and then they would wrench the boats back by cable. But imagine, way back when, no rubber rafts, no inner tubes, but they used this. Well, that was an enjoyable day.
Very much so. It was a great experience. Highly recommend it. Challenges the fear factor and
Ausable.
physically possible.
Ausable Chasm. It's definitely well worth the money. It's just it was a great adventure. It scared the gajeebies out of me.
It was a challenge.
It was a challenge.
We made some nice friends from Canada, so it was fun.
It was a lot of fun. And I'll leave a link in the bottom to this location, to the chasms. It's really, really well worth it. I highly recommend. It's worth the money to come out here. And we were just going to do the adventure trail and just some hiking. There's like a 1.5 mile hike around the outside, but for an extra $3, I think it was, we ended up getting that raft ride, which I'd say don't do the raft. I'd say do the tubes.
Yeah.
It's a lot cooler, a lot more enjoyable than being in a hot raft with 10 other people.
But still, a pretty ride. Still,
It was nice. It was short, but we had a good time. Really well worth it. If you like this kind of content, I appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell just as a reminder when our next video comes out. And we look forward to seeing you on the next one.